Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am Bisma Zaid from Chenab College and I am O-LAVEL student. I have started the series of chemistry lectures and it is the lecture number 3 of chapter metals. So let's start our topic. Today's topic is stability of metal compounds. Metal compounds. So first we will talk about the metal oxides. Metal oxides. For understanding this topic, it will be necessary for learning the reactivity series. So it is the reactivity series. Metals which are above in the reactivity series are the most reactive. Reactivity decreases downwards. For understanding this topic, it is necessary for learning the reactivity series. Reactivity decreases downwards means that potassium is the most reactive and platinum is the least reactive metal. However, cesium is the most active metal in the periodic table, but in our syllabus this is the series. So let's talk about the metal oxides. Metal oxides. As I have told you in my previous lecture that the metals which are top in the reactivity series are the most reactive and not easily composed by heating. So they need a specific procedure for their reduction. That procedure is electrolysis. Electrolysis is used. For their reduction. Because they are reactive metals. This procedure is applied on first five elements or metals: potassium, sodium, calcium, magnesium and aluminium. They lose their electrons easily and they lose their electrons valence electrons and forms positive ions. Which are known as cations. So the reduction occurs at the cathode. Reduction occurs at cathode because they are positively charged and cathode is negatively charged. Let me give you an example. In aluminium extraction, the reduction occurs at cathode has equation aluminium ion plus 3 less 3 electrons gives aluminium solid. This is aqueous. Now the reduction has occurred because it has gained electrons. gained electrons and its oxidation state is changed +3 to 0, and decrease in oxidation state is known as reduction. Oxidation state is reduced. So let's talk about the metal. Next metal group, from zinc to copper. Zinc to copper. These metals are reduced by reducing agents like carbon and hydrogens. Reduced by reducing agents for example carbon and hydrogen. Let me give you the example. Zinc plus zinc, we are talking about zinc oxide plus carbon in solid and gives zinc plus carbon monoxide gas solid. And the reason behind this their reduction is their least reactivity. Their reactivity is the reason, and these oxides are easily reduced by simply heating, and it includes zinc, iron, these are non-metals, iron, lead and copper. And the oxides of silver, gold and platinum needs simply heating. Simple heating, and they decomposes to their respective products. So it was all about metal oxides decomposition. Let's talk about metal hydroxides. Metal hydroxides reactivity series. Metal hydroxides. Hydroxides of potassium and sodium are stable to heat, means they have no effect of heating, and they need they requires high energy for their reduction. So let's talk about calcium to copper. By heating them, potassium and sodium are stable to heat. From calcium to copper, less reactive than potassium and sodium because they are below their by heating them, calcium hydroxide has formula. This one decomposes to calcium oxide plus water, calcium, 2 oxygen, 2 hydrogen, 1 calcium. It is balanced. So due to their least reactivity, these tables, their hydroxides do not exist. Silver, gold and platinum, their hydroxides do not exist. So it was about metal hydroxides.